Hey everybody, Golden Stream here. And today, Monday, 4 p.m. Dito kami ngayon sa sa Bilar. So papunta kami ngayon dito sa National Park dito, Rahasi Katunan National Park, na malapit dito sa amin. Kasi maghahanap kami dito ng wild monkeys. So habang naglalakad kami papunta doon, may nakita kami ditong flying lemur. Ay, ang laki, tingnan nyo ha. Try ko. Ayan, hindi ko alam kung makikita dito sa camera, pero sana makita. Ayun yung flying lemur, ayun. But too blurred. Oo. Can't zoom. Medyo blur yung camera ko. Pero ang laki niya talaga, oo. No, it's there. It's a big one. Yeah, so yun. Habang papunta pa lang kami dalawang flying lemur na yung nakikita namin. And syempre, yung hindi lang flying lemur, yung purpose talaga namin dito is wild monkey. So hanapin namin yun. Oo. Good thing darada kini nga po nun. Good thing protected tong lugar namin. Protected landscape, kaya sobrang daming wild animals dito. So tuloy kami sa paglalakad. Mukhang man-made forest dito sa amin, tingnan nyo. Diba? Sobrang ganda. Wow. Sobrang ganda ng lugar namin. So tuloy kami sa paglalakad papuntang National Park para makita namin yung mga wild monkeys. Guys, habang naglalakad kami, nakita namin tong woodpecker. Asan na yun? Ayun red guys, ayun. Hindi ko makita sa akin. Ayun. Yeah. Hindi kaya ng camera ko. Sayang. Anyway. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng ibon, man. Wow. Sama namin si Hars, super busy. So syempre tuloy kami sa paglalakad.
I bought this phone very selectively. I explored a lot before buying this phone.
So you can zoom out, no? Zoom out better. Okay, so we're gonna continue walking, guys. I think this will take like 30 minutes before we reach the National Park, Rahasi Katunan National Park.
So as per our famous,
habang naglalakad yun, papalapit kami sa National Park, may nakita naman kaming dalawang flying lemur. Gray yung kulay tsaka black. Oo. Hindi ko na i-zoom kasi hindi naman kita sa camera ko. So, tuloy lang kami sa paglalakad. Super fresh dito, man. Napaka fresh ng hangin dito. Lahat na nakikita mo puno yan Wow. Malapit na kami. So doon kami pupunta dito, papuntang spring, Logarita Spring. Habang lalakad kami, may nakita kami dito. Ito, tingnan nyo. Asan ba yun? Ayan, ito mas malapit men. Ayan kaso hindi gumagalaw. Ay na. It's very close. Look at that. That's the flying lemur there. Yeah. Ang cool, diba? So dito sana nakikita lang yan dito. Kinakain yan dati, ngayon hindi na. Look, the lemur is moving.
the hand and the vertebra is totally connected. That's what makes them fly.
That is so cool. So syempre kailangan namin balik kami dito banda. Yun, doon kami aakyat. Tuloy ang lakad, mga 10 minutes na lang siguro. Let's go. Habang paakyat kami dito sa papuntang National Park, kita na naman ni Mara yun.
Look, this one eating.
It's eating. So cool. Oh. And you know, it's perfect that we go up here around 5 p.m. because they're very active. It's like all of the lemur we saw here, they are eating. Yeah, no, the other ones were sleeping. Yeah, so we're gonna keep moving, guys. What's there? There's uphill road. Look, that one, and one's there. Look, so we're going there. Let's go, let's go. Okay. So, malapit na kami sa entrance ng park. Ayun yung entrance ng park. Super lapit na namin. Tapos nakakita pa kami ng isang lemur dito. Ayun, no? Ayan, yun. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. Oh. Ayun niya gumalaw. Dito kasi kami. So, tuloy na kami. Pinagpawisan na ako kasi uphill yung ano. Yung daan eh. Nakita ko pa yung isa. Ayan. So, eto na yung entrance ng ano, ng park. Ayan yung entrance ng park. Isang bundok. Tas hinati yung gitna, guys. Ayan oh. Hinati yung gitna. Beware of falling objects. Falling rocks. Look at that. It's so cold. Sobrang lamig. So ito yung entrance ng diba? Ang stig. It's like a portal, guys. It's so cold. Wow. Tignan niya. So yan. Ayun taas. Wow. And ang lamig. Super lamig dito. Ang fresh talaga ng hangin kasi sa bagay parang nasa tuktok ka na ng bundok dito eh. Ayan yung likod. Ayan yung likod. Hinati yung ano. Hinati yung bundok. And syempre ayan na. Ayan na yung park, guys. Ito na yung park. Dati papasok ko lang, dami ng unggoy. Yan, hindi ko alam kung makakita kami ng ano, unggoy. Kasi mag-aalas 5 na eh. Ayan, may mga cottage dito, may bahay doon. May cottage din doon. Ayun. Ayan. Diba? Nay, unggoy? At no, dugay lagi mo lang ulit on. Muy! Yes, we're trying to call a monkey. Like we say, muy! Muy! Look. So this is the park. So yeah, that's the park, guys. In the middle of the forest. It is. So they have cages here sometimes, yeah? But nothing is in the cage. They let all the animals out. They want it like looks natural. Muy! Muy! So I was trying to call the monkey by saying, Muy! Muy! Hopefully, they're gonna go down. Hi! Huh? May bahay din dito, ayun na. Parking area. So they have the parking area here. Nahingal ako. Guys, habang tinatawag ko yung mga andito lang pala sila. Ayan o.
Long-tailed macaque.
There are 2 bars, the other 3?
Yeah.
Look. Ayan o. Super lapit lang guys. Oh. Hi!
At the head.
Long-tailed macaque. So, sobrang haba ng ano. And the other one here is eating. Look. Di ada pa. Look. The other one is there. And the other one is eating coconut. Ayun yung unggoy oh. Nasa taas. Nakita niyo ba? Nasa background ko lang oh. Dalawa. Nandito lang pala. Baka dito sila matutulog oh. Uy. Ayan oh. Too dark guys. Yeah. Dark. So syempre ngayon nakita namin yung unggoy. Ayun, dalawang unggoy oh. Saan mo yun? Ayun, nakita niyo yung isa. Ayun, yun yung isang unggoy sa taas. Yung isa is... Ayun. Ang galing. Now he's eating a small coconut. Yeah. Dito lang pala sila yun. Busy. They're having dinner. So hindi namin nastorbo yung dalawa. Hello? Moy! That's how we call the monkey guys. Long-tailed macaque. Yeah. Tatlo yung nakita namin dito ngayon. Pero marami to sila kasi wild. They're in a free environment. Yeah. Marami to. Hindi ko alam kung saan yung iba. Ayun yung isa. Ayun lang. Umakit na siya sa puno ng nyog. Kukuha yata siya ng pagkain niya. Ayun na nga. Kumuha siya. He's getting one. Grabe. So anyway, I think yung lakad namin dito is super successful kasi nakita namin yung flying lemur, woodpecker na ibon, tsaka long-tailed macaque na mga unggoy. Tatlo. So anyway, once again, this is Golden Stream. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Beach side.